we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing these super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus. Both seem pretty fancy.
Yeah, they both promise barista-quality coffee at home. The Philips is going for $799, and it's a renewed model. The De'Longhi is pricier at $999.99, but it's brand new and often on sale.
The Philips boasts 12 different coffee varieties, which sounds impressive. It also has this LatteGo system that froths milk, and they say it's super easy to clean. Like, dishwasher safe. 2-part easy.
The De'Longhi also has a milk frother, their Latte Crema system. It even lets you use milk alternatives. Plus, it has a color touchscreen and a Coffee Link app, which is kind of cool. You can save up to 3 user profiles with custom recipes.
Oh, the Philips has a coffee customizer too. You can adjust the aroma and volume and even add an extra shot. And it has a ceramic grinder with 12 steps, which should give you a lot of control over the grind.
The De'Longhi has a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings, so similar level of control there. It also has this Smart One touch system that learns your favorite drinks and puts them first on the display. Fancy.
What about durability? The Philips says its ceramic grinders are good for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
De'Longhi doesn't specify an exact number, but people say it is sturdy. Oh, and it's made in Italy, which is a selling point for some people.
Ah, okay. Size-wise, the De'Longhi seems a bit wider, at almost 17 inches compared to the Philips 10 inches. Might be a factor if counter space is an issue. Philips is taller, though, at 17 inches.
True. The De'Longhi has more reviews, over 1,000, and it has a slightly better overall rating. Both are rated at 4.1 stars, though.
Tough choice. The Philips is cheaper, but it's a renewed model. The De'Longhi has the app and the fancy touchscreen, but you pay more for it.
And the De'Longhi has videos. Lots of them. If you like to see it in action, it might help you decide. It seems like the Philips is simpler to use, maybe, while the De'Longhi has more features. Ultimately, it depends what you want.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.